Freedom gave us a nation. Constitution gave us direction. And every generation carries the responsibility to strengthen the Republic. As the sun rises over Manipal University Jaipur, the tricolour rises with it, reminding us of the values that bind us together as one nation. On the 77th Republic Day of India, Manipal University Jaipur came alive with pride and purpose. Faculty members, staff, students, NCC cadets, children, and security contingents gathered to celebrate the spirit of democracy, unity, and nationhood. The unfurling of national flag marked the beginning of the celebrations, a moment of reverence, respect, and collective pride. A dignified Republic Day parade reflected discipline, dedication, and the strength of collective effort. Each step, each salute, echoed the values on which the Republic of India stands. It was a powerful reminder that the strength of nation lies in unity, responsibility, and service. Addressing the university fraternity, the President of Manipal University Jaipur, Dr. Niti Nipun Sharma, reaffirmed the institution's commitment to nation building through education. He emphasized that the true strength of the Republic lies in its youth, nurtured, empowered, and guided by values.
As always, at Manipal University Jaipur, we also celebrate the nation's progress and contribute to nation building by empowering, skilling, and giving knowledge to our future nation builders, our students. We make progress at MUJ for them, by them, and with them.
Declaring the year as Year of Collaboration, he called upon everyone to work together, fostering teamwork, and shared the responsibility for the growth of the university and the nation.
सफ़र अभी जारी है दोस्तों, and there is a long way to go. मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल की तलाश कर, अगर मिल जाए दरिया तो समंदर की तलाश कर. As we continue our journey this year, we have decided to celebrate this year as the year of collaboration. In true spirit, enabling and empowering 41 plus President Mandate project, giving full freedom of planning and execution to all leaders. I appeal to all to support this endeavor to make MUJ a truly collaborative and cooperative organization.
Paying tributes to India's great freedom fighters, the message was clear. Freedom must be honored through action. The call was not only to remember the past, but to actively contribute towards building an inclusive India, free from poverty and corruption, and rich in opportunity and integrity.
We love our country and countrymen. MUJ is poised to go a long way. In this onward journey on this Republic Day, if my message can reach you all, मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. पंख से सब कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Patriotism found expression through music, movement, and celebration. Patriotic songs, vibrant dances, and cultural performances filled the campus with energy and emotion. A colorful fashion show showcased traditional attire from different Indian states, celebrating India's diversity and beauty of its cultural heritage. Excellence was recognized and achievements were celebrated. Students who excelled in various competitions were honored, and 5 outstanding student clubs were awarded platinum badges symbolizing dedication, leadership, and impact. Patriotism extended beyond celebration into a meaningful action. Motorcycle rally and Republic Run witnessed enthusiastic participation, echoing pride across the campus. In a powerful gesture towards sustainability, 77 saplings were planted, each one symbolizing hope, responsibility, and a commitment to greener future. At Manipal University Jaipur, the Republic Day is not just remembered, it is lived every moment. Through education, collaboration, and conscious action, the future of nation is being shaped. This is patriotism in action. This is nation building in progress.